Micron stock is up over 198% year to date in 2025. And of course, I'm thrilled about that because I've had Micron stock rated as a buy all year long here in 2025. So I'm happy that the stock is performing as well as it is. Of course, I've had many investors ask me if I still think Micron is a buy and what do I think about the company at these new higher valuations. I'll answer that question in this video. I'll also share with you a big update to my discounted cash flow valuation for Micron based on changes in free cash flow expectations for this company in future years. So we'll do all that in this relatively short video. So let's get started. So one of the reasons why Micron stock is booming is because the company is benefiting from the rising effectiveness of artificial intelligence. Micron manufactures and sells components that go into electronic devices, including for smartphones and computers. Micron also partners with NVIDIA and sells components that go into the data centers optimized for artificial intelligence. All of those categories are increasing and benefiting Micron. In electronic devices, in consumer electronics, the devices are being embedded with greater component technology, greater component capability, and higher average selling prices. So even though there isn't that much more in terms of unit sales of computers or unit sales of smartphones, the premiumization in those categories is fueling growth for Micron. So people in their previous cycle of purchasing a laptop or purchasing a desktop may have opted for less technology, lower priced units, and now they're upgrading to the higher priced unit with more technology because they want the benefits, the features that are added with artificial intelligence. Similar with smartphones, even though the total number of smartphones, the total number of unit sales of smartphones is not increasing by all that much, the average selling price of each smartphone is increasing. And we're seeing that across the board, whether you look at the results from Micron or Qualcomm or Apple or others in the industry, they're all indicating similar trends where consumers are opting for the higher priced model. And that's fueling growth for Micron in those categories. Click the link below to watch the full video.